Salam. How are you guys? We've seen the four letters last time, which are He, Le, He, Me, and today we're gonna see of how to write them. Let me start with He. So follow this, and this is the right way of writing it, so please practice that. Okay, thank you. He. Take a brush. He. Who. He. Ha. He. Who. Oh, please do that. Just practice. The second one is Le. Le. Lo. Li. La. Le. Le. Lo. And the third one is He. He. Who. He. Ha. He. Who. Ho. Okay. And the fourth one is Me. Me. Mu. Mi. Ma. Me. Me. Mo. Okay. So I will expect you to practice writing these four letters. I will come with different letters next time. Until then, thank you. See you.